and LEU is the leader in uranium enrichment. It's actually the only pure play in the market right now. The group was extremely strong, and the need to power all these data centers just made a lot of sense. And so this one we're still long right now, and 523 if you show that day on the chart, Don. So this day was LEU gapped up on huge volume, and this day was President Trump signed a series of executive orders designed to significantly boost the U.S. nuclear energy industry. So when I saw that news, I got even more bullish. It gapped up on huge volume. It was breaking out of a huge base. I liked the story. So ideally, I would have bought that day, just wasn't prepared for it. So the thought process there was wait for a flag, wait for an entry to get in, and that came on 6-3. Took a position in this one as it was starting to break out of the base after, a couple day consolidation. Wasn't much, but in a strong market, things don't really rest too much. And you've seen HOOD, any pullback into the short-term moving averages could have been a buy and you would have made money. So that was the first entry at $137 a share. And that was coming out of that big base, like the story, had that catalyst with volume. So to me, this checked all the boxes for a high probability trade. And then on 6/11, trimmed some into strength at $162. And that was just for a 20% gain to lock some in to finance the position to hold for the bigger move. And then it continued to go higher. And on 6/20, you can see it started to go a little bit parabolic. And we sold some more at $207 a share for a 50% gain on that piece. And then you can see after that, it started pulling back. And reviewing this trade, I should have added back what I sold off the 21-day moving average, because as you can see, pulled back to the 21-day, formed a 6-day tight range, and it's just exploded out of that setup. And that was super clean. The first pullback to the 21-day moving average after a big move up, big base breakout, is typically a buy. For now, still trailing this position. Right now, it's up 80%. It's having another really strong day today, and it reports earnings in August. So if it continues moving higher, potentially look to take some more off into earnings and then see what earnings has in store. The cushion is quite big now, so don't have to worry about not being able to hold into earnings with the cushion currently. So this one's been really nice, and getting a lot of volume and trading up the right side nicely here.